Hello viewers of all are fine. Now is spring time and here is no why here this weather is very enjoyable because here is no hot and no cold weather. It's the middle time and this is the very beautiful and very enjoyable, and you see a bar is regular dakche. Really this weather is unbelievable. If you enjoy it you should wake up early in the morning because you just feel that in the morning time. Very beautiful. If you stay in the village then you enjoy it 90% up, but if you will stay the building area then you just feel as something, but you should wake up in the morning and go to your building roof, then you will enjoy it. I hope. Thank you.